This is the Automotive Blockchain channel. Hey, welcome back to all those who have subscribed. I really appreciate everything you do for the channel, the comments, the kind words. A love dub definitely goes out to all of you. And if you're new to the channel, first time coming on aboard, hey, welcome on aboard. I really appreciate the fact that you are here, and I hope that you're able to gain something along the way. Don't forget to share, do not forget to like, as well as subscribe. Today, this is going to be a quick one, all right? So I want your opinion on something, and hey, this is going to be for the people who, you know what XRP does, you know what Ripple does, you know what Stellar/XLM does as a company, and you want to give your opinion on how you think this should be handled, which company would handle this. And please throw your opinions down in the comments, because what I would like to do is to be able to educate people who may know a little bit less, and I want them to say, hey, you know what, 5 months from now, they may come across this video trying to just figure out what the industry is about, and they'll be able to read your comments and be able to get an idea of, okay, I see how this applies. All right, so let's do this real quick. Telegraph transfer remittance method for buying Japanese used cars. Now keep in mind, this could be for any used cars anywhere in the world. So in this example is Japan. TT, or telegraphic transfer, or simply a wire transfer, is a simple and fast way, I'm not saying fastest, fast legal way of remitting money overseas through a bank with Forex facility. It involves the remittance of funds between banking and electronic coded messages. Now I'm going to pause there. Yes, I know for those of you who are in the know and know this technology, you're like, dude, this is easy stuff. I know what you're talking about. Keep in mind, this is not necessarily for you. I'm asking you to start educating other people and just say, hey, this is what I think on this. So we want your opinions in the comment section. Moving on. The message provides the receiving bank with information of a currency, amount, date of payment, the beneficiary name, and payment instructions. That's how money gets transferred throughout the world all over again, over and over again. Messages are dispatched through the electronic communication system known as SWIFT. Hey, there are a lot of people out there who have no clue what SWIFT is. They may know what PayPal is or other things, but they may not know what SWIFT is. With this wire transfer, going in yellow, it is an advanced payment usually used for remittance in case of buying used cars from Japan. Key, buying used cars from Japan. However, there is a risk involved for the importer if the supplier is not honest and the wire transfer is a payment in advance. It is highly advisable to use a safer form of payment. And this is what I'm asking of you. What do you think would be the safer form of payment? Is it more on the Ripple/XRP side, or is it more on the Stellar/XLM side? So go ahead, put your comments in put your thoughts, your opinions in the comments section below, and go from the perspective of, hey, this is what my opinion is, and I'm going to go ahead and also educate someone who may come across it later, like 5 months from now. All right, so hey, that's it. That's all I wanted to know from you. Go ahead and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.